What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a semi-review of the NOVAH clippers. All right, so I say semi-review because I already opened them and used them. Nice packaging. Got your clipper set there, right? It's going to have your stainless steel blade. It has your lever, right? It has your 2-speed. And then here's your LED display. These also come with the T-liners, right? So stainless steel blade again. Got your 2-speed switch. And then there's also your LED display. Let's go ahead and open it up. All right. So there's a seal there that says if this seal is broken, don't accept it. Couple of disclaimers there, right? Then you got your instruction manual for your clippers, instruction manual for your T-liners, then your step-by-step tutorial on how to do whatnot. It comes with a set of guards, A, B, all the way up to a 4. There's some oil there. Then you got your guards for your T-liners. 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. A comb. 2 charging cables. It looks like it's just a USB. There's no block to plug it into an outlet. And then on the bottom you got your charging port and a hanger. Sturdy construction, feels like steel or metal here, and then plastic up here. Your guard, stainless steel. The lever is nice and clicky, feel like quality. And then for your T-liner, again, charger port on the bottom and your hanger. Same construction, LED screen, 2-speed, stainless steel, T-liner. Let's power them up. It's first speed, got 99% of power, and then turbo speed. They're not the quietest, but still good. Back to this guy. Regular speed, got 80%. Turbo speed. It also came with a barber's cape. I think overall good quality set for 2 clippers and liners and all the guards together. Paid about 99 bucks on Amazon. If you liked the video, subscribe, come back for more.